Hello Taurus, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and I am Himali Nasin, your tarot reader, astrologer and numerologist, bringing you your weekly forecast as per tarot for the week of 14th to the 21st of January 2021. Let's quickly look at what are the energies coming up for you Taurians. You've got two twos, two tens, and two fours. So two tens here indicates a change, two fours here indicates insomnia, and two twos here indicates an accord. So something is changing in your life which is not letting you sleep. The anxiety of the change is probably not letting you sleep. Let's still quickly look into all your cards. We've got the Six of Pentacles and Ten of Cups. So Six of Pentacles here indicates that you could be feeling very, very generous to give whatever you have to the world. This could be to your family. This could be to your spouse, to your children, to your extended family. You are very happy. You are feeling very, very generous to give whatever you possess. You may be giving some sort of a charity as well. You could be giving some sort of a money as So for some of you, this could be giving money in terms of settlement. This could be property settlement. This could be any sort of settlement that you've wanted to do. So Six of Pentacles here definitely indicates you giving out something. Six of Pentacles and Ten of Cups also indicates that you could be getting a loan that will give you the mental calmness, the mental clarity that you've been seeking. If you have been seeking for a loan, this is the week you will be getting it. On your love life, you've got the Queen of Cups and Two of Wands. So Queen of Cups here indicates that you could be having nothing but love for your partner. On the other hand, your partner could be feeling that the relationship looks excellent on paper, but there could be something missing in real life. If this is the scenario, I see that you will have to sit and counsel your partner will have to sit and counsel you. Something related to counseling can also take place this week. You could actually sit down with them and talk to them, like have a heart-to-heart conversation with them to figure out where is your relationship exactly going. On your work life, you've got the Two of Cups and you've got the Ten of Pentacles. So a lot of your energies are cups and a lot of your energies are I'm so sorry about this. Yeah. So a lot of your energies are cups, which is you are feeling very, very emotional, or you're feeling very you could be feeling very emotional or very practical. At work, I see you being a little more emotional and that making the deal for you. Two of Cups here indicates that you could do something in partnership. You may get a partner that you've been looking for. You may be partnering up with someone who you've been seeking help from, and this is about to bring you the change that you require. This is the Ten of Pentacles. That means that this is something that will give you and bring you a lot of abundance, a lot of money that you've been seeking. Two of Cups here again. This could be someone of a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And if it is, then Taurus and Pisces go really well. So be rest assured, this partnership is surely going to do wonders for you. On the health front, so a little note of caution on your health front. You've got the Four of Cups clarified by the Four of Cups. So here you are definitely dealing with something to do with abuse. Four of Cups here indicates that you could have bloating, digestive issues. Some of you, very few of you could be going through epilepsy. Cancer of the stomach again cannot be ruled out. Obesity. Now all this is caused due to unresolved issues with abuse. Abuse can be one thing that has been on your mind, consciously, subconsciously. I would definitely recommend you to go for a cleansing course by Ruhani Guidance, and this is something that will help you get rid of all these issues. Our cleansing course can be vouched by everybody, every single person who has taken it, and it definitely works. So if you are someone who is dealing with unresolved issues with abuse, you should be doing this, Taurians. The color for you for this week is sapphire. The message for you is regenerate your body. The lucky number for you is 38, and the color is sapphire, the blue, sapphire blue. Another message from Mother Moon is adjustments are required. So like we've seen throughout your cards, Taurians, yes, we do see some sort of adjustments are required. Every time you try to partner up, okay, you're actually dealing with a human that has a different psyche. They have a different thinking pattern. They are a different model altogether, like a different human model altogether. And whenever there are two humans interacting and coming together, there is always a lot of clash. There's always a lot of adjustments that are required. So Taurians, if you can take this really, really well, everything will work out in your life. Try balancing out your water element, which is your emotional side, and I see a mix of emotional and practical blend will get you where you want, Taurians. The crystal for you this week is Amazonite. This is something that you should be keeping with you. I wish you a very happy kite flying festival. Happy Makar Sankranti to whoever is celebrating it. And I will see you next week, Taurians. Please write to me in the comment section below if this resonates with you. I hope everybody is having a very good new year. Please write to me what this new year has brought for you, and I look forward to reading your messages. I will see you next week, and until then, you take care.